Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, good time. Now you get to know what GOG car cat claw is. GOG GOG, CAR car, CAT cat, CLAW claw. GOG GOG, G groundnut, O orange, G grapes. CAR car, C carrot, A apple, R red banana. CAT cat, C curry leaf, A amla, T tomato. CLAW claw, C cucumber, L lemon, A almond, W walnut. These are good for eye health. You can eat them raw. Take good care of your eyes. Eat all these as frequently as possible.